I'm Faye Bistayan, Southville College Alumni, Batch 2013, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Southville's curriculum and co-curricular activities help me develop my confidence and become a well-rounded individual. I'm very thankful to all my professors that are always with us every step of the way. Their teachings have helped me mold into where I am right now. Southville had prepared me not only for my current work, but it had helped me during my master's degree that I have completed last 2017. The advanced curriculum that we had has given me the edge to be ahead in my subjects. My mom and dad chose Southville as my school for college, and I'm very grateful to them that they have chosen a good school for me. I'm proud to say that I am one of the student council of the college department in my time. I'm the Vice President for External Affairs. What is unique about our reign is during our time, it is the first college-wide election that Southville had organized, and our party won a landslide. Together with my co-officers, we had made quite successful projects that uplift everyone's school spirit. And also, I am the president of our college. I, together with my co-officers, had successfully registered Southville in the Philippine Junior Marketing Association, where we become a member of the community together with the top universities and colleges in the Philippines. Southville International Junior Marketing Association was born during our time. We had successfully organized Southville's first ever car show, Southville Auto Show. Not only that, but we have also organized some community outreach programs. I was very happy and humbled that our college faculty had given me a leadership award during my last year in college. All the 5 C's have impacted my life positively and made me who I am today. A globally competitive individual who is not afraid to face any challenges that may get in the way. I have been working and living in Dubai, UAE for 5 years. My first job was in a gold company. Second is in an online B2B trading platform for agricultural commodities. And my recent company now is Alesca Life, an agricultural technology company that develops precision farming solutions and turnkey indoor vertical farms to improve productivity, efficiency, and predictability of food production by up to 10 times. Alesca has developed the world's most capital-efficient agri-tech solutions to address sustainability and rapidly changing consumer preferences. Our indoor vertical farms are capable of producing highly nutritious and highly profitable fresh produce and horticultural products year-round in any location to address food security issues. We have also worked with dozens of government entities, business organizations, and academic institutions to organize community engagement events. I'm looking forward to bringing our technology to my beloved country, the Philippines. And who knows, Southville might be our first agricultural education partner in the Philippines.